Okay friends, now we have basic understanding of architecture of Linux. Let's begin with Linux history, why it is so much popular and its distros. So Linus Torvalds, you can see the picture in this PPT. He was a finance student at the University of Helsinki, started developing Linux just as a personal project in 1991 to create a similar system like Unix operating system. At first, he bought a different operating system. Then he realized that it is not allowing him to customize that OS as of his use. So he then started developing and creating a operating system like Unix, and it is called Linux. Why it is named like Linux? So it is named after Linus. So Linus plus Unix, then it is called as Linux. Linux is considered to be one of the most stable, secure, and reliable operating system. The Linux ecosystem is constantly evolving and expanding with a lot of development going on. So why one should opt out for Linux? So the first reason is open source. The open source means the software repository or packages available for Linux is accessible to everyone and anyone in the world. They can access it, modify it, and use it as they want. The second reason is security. So Linux provide multiple secure layer for the underlying infrastructure to the OS level. Third one is stability. So unlike Windows and Mac, this does not provide any regular patches. So it only needs to be fixed or updated when it is needed. The next reason is accessibility. So Linux support many platform and it support many underlying hardware. So it is making it is accessible more. Speed as it is comes into the picture with customized way. So it is much faster as compared to the other operating system. So as I said, the multiple developer are already adding the features to the Linux. So hence it is scalable, means anything is being added to this OS at under the GNU project, it's being scaling up and up. And last but not least, it has developer, server, and community support. The developer can use many of the languages to use the Linux and to customize them. So that's it for this demo. We will meet in the next video while discussing the Linux distros and will understand which distro we are going to use. So thank you.